Welcome everyone. In this walkthrough, we're going to go over an A-level exam question on energetics. We're going to work out an unknown bond enthalpy using a Hess cycle. There are links to bond enthalpy quizzes in the description. These are on the flipchem.com website. A username and password is here too so that you can log in. Black text is the question, red text is additional information, blue text is the answer, and pause the video at any time to attempt the question yourself. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. Some enthalpy data are given in the table. Use the data to calculate the bond enthalpy for NH in ammonia. We can use a Hess cycle to solve this. Bond enthalpy is the average energy required to break 1 mole of a type of bond in the gaseous state. Here is the Hess cycle. Atoms are formed when all of the bonds in the substances are broken, so the arrows must point towards the atoms. I've drawn each molecule out here to show all of the bonds that are broken. We can take delta RH directly from the table, minus 92 kilojoules per mole. Delta 1H is equal to the NN bond enthalpy, plus 3 times the HH bond enthalpy. This is equal to plus 2,252 kilojoules per mole. We need to work out the NH bond enthalpy. I will call this value X. Delta 2H is equal to 6X. 6 NH bonds are broken when 2 moles of ammonia are split into atoms. Hess's law states that enthalpy change is independent of the route taken. So delta 2H is equal to minus delta RH plus delta 1H. Take care with directed numbers. Substitute the known values in and solve for X. The NH bond enthalpy is plus 391 kilojoules per mole. Always include the sign. You should also note that bond enthalpies are always positive. Breaking bonds requires energy input. It is an endothermic process. Here's the next part of the question. Give one reason why the bond enthalpy that you just calculated is different from the mean bond enthalpy quoted in a data book, 388 kilojoules per mole. Remember the bond enthalpy definition. Bond enthalpy is the average energy required to break 1 mole of a type of bond in the gaseous state. So the NH bond enthalpy data book value is the average bond enthalpy for NH in different substances, not just ammonia. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care.